So I picked up a Jonathan Adler Jacques bench for $100. They retail for over $2,100, but there was a reason that this bench was so inexpensive. The person who had it had some misadventures during a move to another apartment. As you can see over here, one of the pieces cracked and is all broken. And on the bottom, all 4 legs were broken. There was only one leg left here, which came. So I put the pieces of this broken leg together just so I had a template to replicate the other legs. Each leg comes with a brass boot that goes on here, with a screw that locks it in place here. In order to repair the bench, it will require sourcing pieces of square brass tubing and brass bar stock, as well as cutting, milling, brazing, and polishing them. The legs are actually metric, so I'll have to source pieces of extruded acrylic abroad and mill the ends to accommodate them being able to go into the brass pieces, and for the boots to fit on here. Finally, I'm going to need to tap holes in the end and get screws so I can screw this in to hold the legs in place, the boots in place on the legs. So let's get started. So here is the leg from the Jonathan Adler bench. The plan right now is to fabricate one of the boots that goes onto the acrylic piece. I want to make sure that this is nice and square. Going ahead. I'm going to cut this to size here, right along here. I'm going to mark this. It doesn't have to be precise, it just has to be close because I'm going to mill it to be pretty exact. Now we're just going to press fit it in. So this is a 29/64, which is ever so slightly bigger than this. We need to drill a little recess so this fits nicely in there. That's good. The piece that I worked on that I've pressure fit into my boot here, when the induction heater heats this metal, it's going to expand, and this is at risk of falling in. So I'm going to have this sitting inside to support it. 200. Let's see if we can start raising a little bit. So this is what it looks like after the brazing. See, has a nice small curve there. And that's it. Ooh, that's 2 screws.